Hello guys, in this course we will learn the C programming language. So, what is basically the C programming language? The C language is a programming language that was developed at 80s and T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. It was designed and written by a man named Dennis Ritchie. So why C seems so popular? The main reason of this is that it is reliable, it is simple and it is easy to use. Okay, so now we will discuss that why should we learn the C language. Okay, so if we discuss that about this, so no one can learn the C++ or Java directly, as C is basically the base of all the other programming languages, and the C is among the simplest language. The syntax of C and C++ have a minor changes, and both of the languages are almost the same. So where the C language is written, a software called compiler is used to write the C programming code, and dev C++ is the most popular compiler. The others are turbo C++, sky IDLE, and boolean C++, etc. So we will use the dev C++ language, so because it is simply simple. So from where should we get it? So simply we can download it from Google. Okay, so thanks for watching my video.